The fear of running out of money in retirement is a common concern and can be mentally paralyzing. Not knowing what your financial future looks like can create anxiety and lead to many sleepless nights. To get you started, here are the top 3 steps that I recommend. The first thing you should do is foundational for starting your retirement planning, and that is filling out something called an expense analysis worksheet. This will help you drill down into exactly what your current expenses are and what you believe they will be in retirement. By understanding your total expenses, you can then better gauge how much income you'll need to generate from your investments. One strategy you should consider is the replacement ratio method, which involves calculating a percentage of your pre-retirement income. I've explained this simple estate planning method in a blog post that I wrote. For your convenience, I've included a link to this post in the description below, along with a link to our expense analysis worksheet. Secondly, and most importantly, consider modeling out different investment scenarios to understand how taking more or less risk could impact your returns. At the Bradford Pine Wealth Group, we employ a method which involves creating multiple hypothetical asset allocations based on your risk profile. This is determined by considering your total investable assets and then assessing how much income you'll need to generate in order to cover your expenses. Then, we subject the portfolio to a stress test over multiple decades. This process provides us with statistical probabilities that can help us understand the likelihood of running out of money and when that may happen, or the possibility of it continuing to grow without any issues. I have found that this educational process provides peace of mind for investors because typically fear is usually worse than reality. Lastly, assess your risk profile to determine how comfortable you are with the different financial plans. Balancing risk and return are vital to ensuring that your financial strategies are aligned with your goals and your risk tolerance. In layman terms, it's about figuring out the smartest amount of risk that you should take while trying to achieve your desired income and return. Planning for your retirement can get complex and confusing. That's why it's important for you to reach out to me or your financial advisor to help you get started. Remember, the fear of running out of money, it's natural. But with the right strategies, preparation, and of course, knowledge, you can face it head on and hopefully enjoy a peaceful retirement.